Hey guys, I'm Abby Sharp. Welcome to Abby's Kitchen. I got a lot of great feedback when it came to my egg cups done 5 ways video, and I know a lot of you have asked me for some more really great, easy, make ahead, healthy breakfast on the go. So today I wanted to share with you one of my favorites. These are my sweet potato bowls done 3 ways. So these are vegan, they're gluten-free, so they're great for a whole range of different dietary restrictions. Not to mention, they are so tasty and they pack the hunger-crushing combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. So let's do this. I start by pricking some sweet potatoes all over, then placing them on a baking sheet and baking them at 425 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes. First up, my fig and tahini sweet potato bowl. I start by cutting into my sweet potato and prying it open, adding a good dollop of coconut yogurt, some figs, pomegranate arils, pistachios, a drizzle of tahini, maple syrup, and some za'atar. Enjoy! Next, my PB&J sweet potato bowl. After I cut into my sweet potato, I add some grape chia jam, peanuts, coronation grapes, and some hemp hearts. Don't forget a big dollop of peanut butter, and get in there. Finally, my tropical sweet potato bowl. To my sweet potato, I add some diced mango, dragon fruit, cashews, cashew butter, goji berries, shredded coconut, and some coconut chips. Enjoy! So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video for my sweet potato bowls done 3 ways. If you did, be sure to give it the thumbs up. Leave me a comment below with some of your favorite ways to top your sweet potato bowl. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time on Abby's Kitchen. Bye!